Opening an account. A simple guide. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's lesson. Today, we're going to dive into a common English phrase, open an account. This is a phrase you'll often encounter in everyday life, especially when dealing with financial institutions or online services. Let's explore what it means and how to use it correctly. Open an account refers to the process of creating a new account, typically with a bank, financial institution, or an online service provider. It involves registering personal information and agreeing to certain terms and conditions. This phrase is commonly used in both formal and informal settings. 1. Banking. This is the most common context. Here, opening an account means starting a new banking relationship where you can deposit and withdraw money. 2. Online services. Whether it's for shopping, streaming, or social media, this phrase means creating a new user profile or account. 3. Utilities and services. When moving to a new place, you might need to open an account with utility companies for services like electricity, water, or internet. 1. Choose a service provider. Decide where you want to open an account, be it a bank or an online platform. 2. Provide necessary information. This usually includes personal details like name, address, and sometimes financial information. 3. Agree to terms and conditions. Always read these carefully before agreeing. 4. Verification. Some accounts require a verification process, like an email confirmation or identity check. 1. Ask questions. If you're unsure about something, don't hesitate to ask for clarification. 2. Read carefully. Pay special attention to the terms and conditions to understand your rights and responsibilities. 3. Practice the phrase. Use open an account in sentences to get comfortable with its usage. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of the phrase, open an account. Remember, it's a versatile phrase used in various contexts, mostly related to starting a new relationship with a service provider. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using this phrase like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson.